Hi, hello guys. So welcome to another new episode of our channel. So today we are gonna start a challenge, a weight loss challenge, and we are gonna do this for like a week. And I will give you update on, let's see how many kilos are gonna get reduced. And I want you guys to do it with me because I did it last year for 2 months and I saw like really good decrease in my weight, in my kilos. So I really want to do it again because like after corona started and people are sitting like doing work from home and all that, like we are continuously snacking and all that, so it's really not working. I really want to get back on track, guys. So let's just do it together, guys. It'll be really nice if you guys keep up with me, and please let me know in the comment section how it went. So I'll be showing you what I'm gonna have for my breakfast, and for my lunch, and for like as a snack. Okay, so as you can see, it's a very sunny day today and it feels good. Okay, yeah. So coming back to our topic, we are gonna do intermittent fasting, and this is like my fasting window will be 5 p.m. to 11 a.m. So basically in a day I'll be having lunch and a proper snack. Okay, and we'll try our level best to cut down on rice, plain flour, bread and all that. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see how this is gonna go. This is my 2 liter water bottle and it helps me a lot. Trust me, guys, it's just super good because you don't have to keep filling each time it gets over, and you won't know that you had 2 liters of water. So it's really good. So I actually bought it from Amazon. You'll get it like in different designs and all that. So now let's go on to our lunch recipe. It's very easy stuff. It's only that I've taken a few onion shallots. You can also take big onions, but just a few shallots I've taken. You can take one big onion and that's it, and you can cut it into small pieces. I'm cutting it in the Indian way. And then you have to add chilies with a little salt and a little cumin seeds along with basin flour. So I've taken 2 tablespoons of basin flour, and then I'm gonna mix it with water to get the medium consistency. And now we're gonna get 2 basin dosas out of this batter. So once the batter is ready, we can start making the dosas. You don't have to wait for it to ferment or nothing like that. And we start making our dosas. So normally in Indian shops we get this spiced chutney powder, and it really goes good with dosa, idli and all that. So I'm gonna use this as my side for besan dosa. It's only that I take a few just a little bit of the powder and then mix it with oil. You can mix it with ghee or coconut oil or sunflower oil, as you prefer. And now we are good to have our lunch. So if you feel hungry in between, or when you want to really just take a bite, then you can buy these, dark whole hazelnut chocolate. It's really good because it's dark chocolate. It's good in, your weight loss challenge and process and all that. So instead of milk chocolates, try to buy dark chocolates. And now, after having my bite of dark chocolate, I'm gonna go for a walk. So as you can see, I'm just walking at a normal pace. That's enough. Let your joints move and just let them be active. That's it. So we'll walk for half an hour at a normal pace and then we'll go back home. Guys, so as you can see, I've taken my bath and all that. So after walking, I sat for like 15 to 20 minutes to let the sweating process subside, and then I went for the bath. Otherwise, even if I finish bathing, I'll keep sweating, so I don't like that, and then I prefer this way. So guys, now it's 5 o'clock and I'm gonna have my evening snack, which is turmeric chia milk. Okay, so let's see how we make that. Now after my walk, I'm gonna prepare my evening snack, and that's gonna be something that tastes like a dessert. So basically I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon of milk powder with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then add little bit of boiling water, like how much ever you want according to your quantity. I love chia seeds, so I normally add in what is more than the standard quantity. Anyway, our evening snack is ready. So now we are going to keep it covered so that the chia seeds form their outer white layer. I had my evening snack and then I'm done with the day. And finally, guys, we have come to the end of day one and we are good to go with. And now I will see you next with the update of day 2 and day 3. So, see you in the next episode. Until then, take care and bye bye.